Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Iksan Mukti Wibowo. Saya merupakan guru bahasa Inggris dari SMPN Terpadu 2 Kutamana, Kabupaten Purwakarta. Pada saat ini saya sedang menempuh pendidikan PPG dalam jabatan Angkatan 3 tahun 2021 di Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Berikut nomor UKG saya 2016 994 65446. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, class. Today we are going to learn English. Okay, with me. Before we start, we learn English. Before we learn English, we have to pray together. Please, the captain of the class lead the prayer. Radit ya, captainnya. Okay, Radit, please lead.
Let's pray together.
Okay, thank you, Adit. Before we start, I will check the attendance. Adit here? Masuk Adit? Okay. And then Aditya here? Okay. Alina? Okay, Alina. Apit?
Yes, sir.
Fadil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Desharul?
Yes, sir.
Eruliana? Okay. Fahmi?
Yes, sir.
Fatia? Hana? Okay. Ranti? Rasya?
Yes, sir.
Rayhan?
Yes, sir.
Tiara? Okay. Tria? The last is Tria. Okay, good. Everyone is here. Okay, before we continue to the material, I want you to sing the national anthem. Yeah. The title is Indonesia Raya by Wage Rudolf Supratman. Yeah. I think you know him. Yeah. Okay. Please stand up. Please sing loudly ya, dengan keras ya. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Together ya, sing together, okay?
Indonesia tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi mandu ibu.
Okay, class. We continue to the material. Today meeting is about procedure tag. Yeah, procedure tag is a set of instruction of how to make something or how to operate something. Yeah, there are two kind of procedure tag. The first is recipe, and the second is manual. For this meeting, for the first meeting, we will learn about recipe. Okay, for this meeting today we will learn about recipe. Pada pertemuan ini kita akan belajar tentang resepi. Jadi ada dua. Yang pertama itu procedure tag itu ada dua jenis. The first is recipe and the second is manual. Ya. You have to know the rule of my class. In my class, you have to using your mask. Ya. Because we are still in COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. And the second is keeping the distance. Jaga jarak ya. Keeping the distance and don't borrow stationery ya. Don't borrow stationery to your friend. Jadi kamu jangan meminjam alat tulis ke teman kamu ya. Okay. There are 3 rule of my class and today objective are the first, student can identify the social function structure language feature of the procedure tag recipe correctly. Jadi I hope you can identify, kamu dapat mengidentifikasi struktur teksnya dari resepi itu, sosial functionnya apa, ya, fungsi sosialnya, language feature-nya, struktur kebahasaannya. And the second is about you can find, I hope you can find out the differences between two procedure text recipe. So I will in the second activity, I will give you two different text recipe. Yeah. So I want you to analyze the two different texts. Yeah. Okay, there are. Okay, I have quote. Yeah. Quote of the day. Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. So, tahu artinya apa? Ketika kamu, today a reader, ketika hari ini kamu sebagai pembaca, maka tomorrow, besok atau nanti in the future you will be a leader. Jadi ketika kamu rajin membaca hari ini, ya, kamu akan menjadi pemimpin untuk masa depan. Okay? By Margaret Fuller. Before we start to the material, we want you to sing again, okay? Sing about good morning. The title is Good Morning. Okay, please stand up. Please stand up. But in this song, there is no music, yeah. We have to sing together, okay? Please speak loudly, ya. Sing loudly. Bernyanyi dengan keras ya, jangan malu-malu, oke? Biar kita keep spirit, tetap semangat, ya. Oke, 3, 2, 1, go. Good morning everybody, how are you? I'm fine. Good morning everybody, how are you? I'm fine. Good morning to you, good morning to me, good morning everybody, how are you? I'm fine. Nah, ya cukup, enough, please. Have a seat. Thank you everyone for this song. Kita melanjutkan ke materi hari ini. Have you ever tried this? Have you ever tried it like this, like a picture? Yes. What the picture is it? Apa? Rujak. Oke, rujak. What the taste of rujak? Who want to answer? What the taste of rujak?
Spicy.
Siapa? Desharul, please answer my question. What the taste?
Spicy.
The rujak is
Spicy.
Rujak biasanya pedas ya. Ada apa lagi? Kami oke.
Rujak is delicious.
Rujak is delicious. Enak ya? Make our body is fresh, okay? Make our body fresh. Okay. I think rujak can improve our antibody, can improve our immune to avoid the COVID-19 before, because in the rujak there are some vegetable. Okay. The first is apa? Kita lihat. Ini apa? Apple. Nah, ini? Mango, mangga. Apa lagi kira-kira selain itu? Cucumber atau tomat. Apa lagi? Timun. Okay, thank you for the explanation. Ya. Recipe. The meaning of recipe. Recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish. So, the recipe concern to the dish ya, makanan ya. Jadi di makanan. Jadi a set of instruction, a set itu satu paket instruksi untuk mempersiapkan suatu makanan, oke? Including a list of ingredients required ya. Nah, ini pengertian the meaning of recipe. And the purpose-nya, kenapa sih kita harus belajar recipe ini? Karena di recipe itu akan menjelaskan describe how something is completely done in sequence step. Jadi di resepi ini mengetahui bagaimana suatu makanan dapat diproduksi, ya. Jadi cara-caranya ada stepnya. The second purpose is to provide a series of steps in sequence that explain the reader. Ya, teks recipe itu. And the third is to tell the step of making something. Jadi pentingnya the important thing learn recipe itu yang ketiga, to tell the step of making something. Ya. Generic structure-nya. If we want to make a recipe text, kita harus ingat ya, we have to remember the three generic structure. The first is aim. Aim itu apa? It's contain the purpose, tujuannya. How to something, ya. The material is contain the element. Okay? And the step yang ketiga itu step, ya. Oke. Ada pertanyaan tidak untuk generic structure? Jadi there are three generic structure. The first is aim, and the second is material, and the third is step. Okay. Language feature, unsur kebahasan. When we want to write the recipe text, we have to know about the unsur kebahasan atau language feature-nya. Apa sih kalimat apa sih yang dipakai di dalam ketika kita when we want to make a text, recipe text, yaitu yang pertama using simple present. Kalian pasti pernah have learned simple present in the grade 7 grade, okay? Simple present. And the second is imperative sentence, such as pour and cut and etc. Yeah. And the third is adverbial of sequence, yeah, such as first, second, next, after. Okay. Do you have any question for this?
No one.
I have a recipe text. Ini cara how to make rujak. Ya, how to make rujak. The first kita harus mempunyai yang pertama one papaya ingredients-nya. Yang kedua cucumber atau apa? Ketimun, one mango, an apple, and then 3 tablespoon peanut, a hot chili pepper, a quarter cup brown sugar, and a tablespoon tamarind. Nah, ini ada stepnya, ya. Tadi kan there are three generic structure of recipe. The first is aim. Kira-kira mana aimnya untuk di sini? Siapa yang bisa? Please raise your hand. What is the aim of the text? Mana? Dua. How to make rujak. Satu ya, udah ya generic structure-nya. Yang pertama aim, yang kedua apa? Material. Apa coba materialnya di sini? Please raise your hand. Materialnya apa? Fahmi?
One papaya, one cucumber.
Nah, oke. Apa lagi?
One mango, one apple, 3 tablespoon peanut, one hot chili pepper, a quarter cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon tamarind.
1 tablespoon. Oke, thank you Fahmi. Good. Jadi generic structure itu material or ingredients. Biasanya bisa disebut material, bisa disebut ingredients, sama aja itu bahasanya ya. Jadi sama aja. Ini ada berapa? Berarti ada berapa material? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ya, 8 material. When you want to make rujak. Jadi harus ada 8 minimal ya. Bisa aja kamu menambahkan yang lain. Yang ketiga, the generic structure of recipe. The third generic structure of recipe. Apa? Step atau langkah-langkah ya. Di sini ada yang udah jelas ya. Ini step yang ini kenapa dimerahkan dan diungukan? Kalau merah apa itu kalimat apa? Adverbial of sequence. Kalau yang ungu imperative sentence. Di sini the first step is first mix all the three together, ya. First itu sebagai apa? Adverbial sequence and mix imperative. Oke. And then second ada ya task. Sekarang yang nomor 4 want to identify what is the adverbial sequence of number 4. Siapa? Yang lain coba, jangan dulu Hana. Siapa? Tria. Oke, Tria. Apa Tria? Number 4 is then. Then is adverbial sequence of number 4. Oke? And imperative sentence-nya apa? Yeah. Add. Oke, add atau menambahkan. Sekarang yang kelima. The fifth step. Adverbial sequence-nya yang mana? Coba siapa yang bisa? Siapa who wants to answer the question? Please. Ranti, coba Ranti, nomor 5 Ti. Ranti, nomor 5 adverbial sequence-nya yang mana? Apa?
Yang first.
After that, ya. Kalau itunya imperative sentence-nya yang full. And the 6 sekarang, yang the 6 step-nya, yang step ke-6. Siapa yang bisa want to answer the question? Desharul. Oke, Desharul.
Number 6, then.
The adverbial sequence is
Then.
dance and the itunya
Mix.
mix. Oke ya, enough ya. Any question? Ada pertanyaan dulu? If you want to give question about this, please raise your hand. Nah, sekarang I have another text of recipe, ya. I have another text of recipe how to make hot honey lemon tea. Please open your worksheet to do the task. 1. Please answer the question correctly. Ya. Please do the task individually. Ya. Don't cheat. Jangan melihat pekerjaan orang lain ya. Please do the task individually. The question there are berapa question? There are 5 question for this time. Please do the task now ya. I will give you 10 minutes to do the task. Okay? You can start to do the task. If you don't understand about the question, you can raise your hand ya. Mana yang tidak mengertinya, please bertanya ke Bapak. Kalau tidak ada yang mengerti tentang pertanyaannya, jangan jawabannya. Ya, pertanyaan. Have you finished? Okay, good. I will check together about the answer the question. Okay. Who wants to answer the first question? Yeah. You have to read the question first and then answer the question. Okay. Want to answer the question? Rasya, coba Rasya. Ya, nomor 1 sir. What is the procedure text? Baca dulu ya. First, you have to read the question. Please speak loudly. Yang keras, yang keras. I don't hear your voice.
What is the procedure text about how to make hot honey?
Okay, good. Thank you, Rasya. The question number 1, the answer of question number 1 is how to make hot honey lemon tea. Ya. Jadi jawabannya itu how to make hot honey
Lemon tea.
And second question, who want to answer the second question? Please raise your hand. Alina. Okay, Fatia. Okay, Fatia, please.
How many stages are stated? 5 steps.
How many stages are stated?
5 steps.
5 steps. True or false? Betul atau salah? True ya, that is true. Okay, good. Fatia, thank you Fatia. Good. How many stages? Berapa stages itu? Berapa stages are stated? Berapa step ya yang dilakukan untuk membuat how to make hot honey lemon tea? Ada 5 steps. Sekarang number 3. Who wants to answer number 3? Fahmi coba.
How much lemon do we need to make hot honey lemon tea? A quarter lemon.
A quarter lemon. Okay, thank you. Fahmi, please choose one of your friends. Please choose one of your friends here. Especially the girl.
Ada.
Your girlfriend girl.
Oh, Tria.
Tria, okay, Tria. Fahmi, choose Tria to answer the question number 4.
Number 4. When different for the hot water, after mix the honey and lemon juice in bottom of a cup while you boil the kettle.
Okay, good. When we can pour the hot water, kapan
Menuangkan air.
menuangkan air panas ke kettle ya. Yang pertama apa? Kapan?
Sesudah.
After make honey and lemon juice.
Okay, good. Thank you, Tria. Tria, please choose of one your boyfriend. The boy. Desharu. Okay, Desharu. Tria, choose Desharu to answer the question number 5.
Number 5 is what should we do if we want to make hot honey lemon tea sweeter? Add another teaspoon of honey.
Okay, what should we do if we want to make the hot honey lemon tea sweeter? Apa artinya? Bagaimana yang harus kita lakukan ketika kita ingin membuat hot honey lemon tea lebih manis? Apa jawabannya nih Sharu? The answer is
Tambahkan beberapa sendok gula.
add another teaspoon of honey. Jadi menambahkan honey-nya ya. Okay. Oh, that's all ya? Udah semua ya? Okay, now and any question? Okay, good. And the next activity, I want you to work in group. Yeah, the group consists of 4. Yeah, the group consists of 4. Okay. I think this is the group 1 for the first line, and this is the second group. Okay, and then this is the third group. Okay, there are 3 because kita kekurangan 1. And the fourth group is the captain of the fourth group is Aditya. Yeah, the captain of the first group is Desharul. And the captain of second group is Fahmi. The third group, Hana. Okay. So in this activity, I want you to analyze the two different types of recipe. Jadi kamu menganalisis perbedaan antara dua teks tersebut. Ya. setelah kamu bekerja berkelompok, I want you to present, ya, to presentation, to give presentation to in front of the class, ya, in front of the class. I want you to make a table, ya, kamu bisa dilihat di tabelnya. Kamu bisa menuliskan di sini nanti tabelnya. Nanti kamu present the table, ya. Present the table here in front of the class, ya. Gitu ya, setiap grup ya. Oke. Any question? The table-nya ada di worksheet, please. Ini buat kamu. Ini buat kamu. Ini ada Aditya for the. Jadi buatlah ini apa? Kartonnya, hasil kalian seindah mungkin, sekreatif mungkin ya hasil kalian. Gitu ya. Dengan yang ini pakai hijau aja. Ini merah. Ya, oke. Kamu punya sendiri ya? Videonya ada tidak? Oh, ini pakai merah aja. Pakai warna merah. Oke. Please do in your group, do the task in your group. Pakai penggaris ya, digarisin, bikin table. I will give you 20 minutes to do the task. So after that, you present your result ya. Kamu nanti presentasi di depan menampilkan hasil kerjaan kamu. Oke? Any question? Do you have any question? Wanita? Have you finished? Oh? Yeah? Okay, good.
Agaknya lipet
Ini
Okay. For the next activity, udah? Hana, please take a seat. For the next activity,
siapa yang pegang?
you have each group has to present your result group ya. Your discussion, oke? Kamu akan mempresentasikan di sini di depan, ya. Please choose two of your member of your group to present your discussion, ya. Group 3, ya. Group second group, please come forward. For the last presentation will be the third group ya, group ketiga. Right? Start.
I will present of this question. Goal of discussion. Goal of text 1, how to make hot ginger drink. Goal of text 2, how to make delicious peanuts. Material of text 1, 5 cup water, a quarter cup sliced fresh ginger, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon honey. Material of text 2, 300 gram of peanut leaf, 100 gram of carrot thinly sliced, 1 liter of water, 4 onion fine slice, 2 cloves of garlic fine chopped, 2 daun salam, 2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Step of text 1. First, bring the water and ginger to a boil in the saucepan. Second, reduce it to medium low and simmer 5 minutes. Then stir until in the brown sugar and honey the sugar has dissolved. Finally, strain out the ginger to serve. Step of text 2. First, bring the water up to a boil. Second, and the garlic, salad, and the daun salam. And then, after the spice have wilted, add the carrot and cook until the carrot of half cooked. Then, enter the spinach leaf. Bring a boil again. Finally, delicious spinach is ready to serve. Imperative sentence of text 1. Bring, reduce, stir, try. Imperative sentence of text 2. Bring, add, after, enter.
Very good.
Adverbial of sequence of text 1. First, second, then, finally. Adverbial of sequence of text 2. First, second, then, finally.
Okay, good.
Thank you for attention.
Okay. Please give applause to Adit and Anya. So, thank you for all. Please come to your seat. Yeah, at your chair. Balik lagi, back to your chair. Okay, thank you. I think all the group answer the question is correct. Okay, bagus. Thank you. Very good. Okay, I will continue to the next activity. For the next activity. So, what is the procedure text? I will check your understanding first, yeah. Before we leave the class, what is the procedure text? Who wants to answer? Hana, please, Hana.
Procedure text is the text that explains about how to make, use, or operate something.
Okay, good, Hana. And then the second question. to check your understanding. What is the generic structure of the procedure tag? Desarul, please Desarul.
Number 1, aim or goal.
Aim.
Or goal. Number 2, ingredients. Number 3, steps.
Step. Okay, good Desarul. And the last, what is the language feature? Unsur kebahasaan yang digunakan dalam procedure tag apa? Who wants to answer the question? Unsur kebahasaannya? Aditya. Oh, Fahmi. Oke, Fahmi restoran ya. Fahmi coba Fahmi. First is
using simple present tense.
okay.
Second, imperative sentence. Three, connective. Four, adverbs.
Okay, adverb. Okay, good. Thank you, Fahmi. And then the last question. What is recipe? Siapa? Who want to answer the question? What is recipe? There are two kind of procedure tag. The first is recipe and the second is manual. So what is the recipe? Who want to answer the question? Erlina. Okay, Erlina, please answer the question.
Recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of the ingredients required.
Okay, good. Yeah, thank you for all. I want to ask to you, what activity do you like? Aktivitas mana yang kamu sukai dari tadi? Kira-kira yang mana? Sing a song ya. Oke, sing a song. And then apalagi kira-kira selain sing a song? Aktivitas mana? Presentation. Okay, good. Thank you for today. So for the next meeting, we are going to learn about manual ya. The second kind of procedure text ya. Manual ya. Jadi manual itu apa sih? So you can search on Google what is the manual ya. Terus generic structure-nya apa ya. Please kamu bisa mencari dulu di Google ya, di internet untuk informasi sebelumnya. So before we leave the class, I say thanks for all for today. Before we leave the class, please pray together. Please, Radit,
Let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Radit. Okay, you can go to your house now. Sekarang, semangat, silakan. Okay, thank you for today all. Ayo, Sampurasun. Ayo, tidak boleh salaman ya, Sampurasun saja. Ayo, Erlina boleh keluar. Ya, oh iya. Ya, mangga. Thank you. Oh, itunya dikumpulkan saja. Seperti bawa aja. Oke. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.